As the hurricane season approaches, thoughts often turn to those who are illegally living on the edge in no-build zones. But what if you went through the proper channels to purchase land to build your dream home, secure a mortgage, and get a plan, only to be turned down for building because you are in a no-build zone? Well, that's what's facing a few landowners in Clarendon who are seeking a resolution to the issue. Herman Green reports.
This is the property on Changs Avenue in Glenmuir Heights, Clarendon, that has been causing heartache for the purchasers.
So it's very sad and it's a very distressing situation.
This distressed purchaser, who is seeking intervention but did not want to be identified, says it started 3 years ago when they bought the lands with the financial assistance from the National Housing Trust, NHT. However, months after finalizing the purchase, she realized that the entire area has a serious drainage problem.
When we came here, it was dried, and I also took somebody, a builder here, and they said it was okay because it was dry. It was after a particular shower come, we had noticed that it was a flood-prone area.
As a result, she says her application to the municipal corporation for a building permit was turned down. One councillor, Ufel Purcell, says the flooding issues in that area are well known, and so he defends the decision.
Because as a municipality and as governments over time have been saying the municipality must not agree to allow anyone to build anywhere where the area is a flood-prone area and river banks and all of these things.
But Councillor Purcell claims that things were then made even more complicated at the corporation's recent planning meeting.
There was an appeal made to the Prime Minister, and the Prime Minister had sanctioned and agreed for one lady who have appealed to her to build on a lot around here. And I'm really disturbed and surprised.
It's understood that some buyers had started dumping the property before making the appeal. Chairman of the corporation, Winston Mirage, confirmed that the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation, which falls under the remit of the Prime Minister, has intervened.
That ministry would send their technical people come, look at the particular lot, see that it is dumped, and then make their notations to the minister, and the minister would then give approval for them to build.
However, councillors are still split on the approval. In the meantime, with no building approval in hand and selling the property being virtually impossible, some are left in a desperate situation.
It's very difficult because I have to be paying rent and I have to be paying mortgage for this land that I am unable to build. I am a single person, a low-income person who have gotten a grant, and I can't do anything, so it's very distressing and it's very frustrating.
We contacted the office of the Prime Minister, but were told they would seek more details on the situation before commenting. Herman Green, TVJ News.